Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up a Shopify store. So basically it takes time to create a Shopify store, 15 minutes or more. Yes, it is. It could be 1 hour if you want to build a wonderful Shopify store. But I'm going to show you the quickest way on how to create one. So you can create Shopify store using your email address and other ways here to create a Shopify account. So you cannot create a Shopify store without your Shopify account, so you must create a Shopify account first. So you can create your Shopify account using your email address, using your Facebook account. Basically, everything is up to you. And then after that, what you're going to do next is you just have to build or get started with your Shopify. You can click this online store, but actually you can skip this part and then do this later. So you can skip or you can answer this and get started. So they will show you this plan. Everything is up to you. You can upgrade, you can try basic, Shopify, and advanced with its features inside. So you will see the advantage of upgrading your plan here. So this time, let's just use the free version of Shopify store, but it will just end or expire anytime soon. So this is your Shopify account, and in order to create a Shopify store, you have to go to the left side. So you have to click online store, and then you will see features below. What you're going to do here is you have to click this themes. So in Shopify, there are themes for free and there are also themes that are not for free. If you scroll down here, you will see the sample themes that you can use for your Shopify store in order for you to at least, or the editing could be less for you. So you can select any of this free here since you're using the free version. If you have upgraded your plan, then you can see more options for your themes. If you're selling food, if you're selling home decors and whatsoever, then there is a specific theme for that. You can browse all themes here, but not all themes here are for free. So you can tap free and then select the theme here that is for free. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna show you, or I'm gonna use the Dawn theme because we're going to start from scratch. And this time, I'm gonna use Canva for our editing also. So Canva is a free editing tool. Don't worry about it. So this is a Dawn theme, and then this is what it looks like. You can see this announcement right here. If you want to change that, you just have to click and then go to the left side and then change the word or the welcome or announcement right here. You can add more, you can delete, everything is up to you. So let me change this to welcome to my boutique instead of welcome to my store. You can change that, and then don't forget to tap the save button so that it will save all the changes here. Now you can go back, and then this time, we're going to add a logo for our Shopify store. So we are going to use this Canva as editing tool. And by the way, you can also change the format of your Shopify store here. If you want to put this to center, you can do that. All you have to do is go to the left side and then you can change everything here with the fonts, also with the color theme, background color. You just have to explore and tap this gear icon to see more options. So as you can see, I'm going to set or put this into the center. So this is what it looks like. And then this time, let's proceed to making logo to your Shopify store. So I strongly suggest that you use Canva because it's so easy. It's a very easy editing tool. You can go to Canva, tap design, and then look for logo. So there is this logo size. All you have to do is to edit that. This is what it looks like. And then you can search for anything here. For example, you will be selling watches, or I will be selling about clock or watch. I can go to design, type watch, and then it will take me directly to samples here. And all I have to do and all you have to do is to edit, like add some word. change the background color. You can also change the font color, the font style, the font size. You can add more elements if you want to. As you can see, I'm adding my brand name here, and then I'm trying to change the color. If I want to add elements such as, let's just say, cart or more pictures or store, like something related to my store, like cart, so you can add it here. Download, go back to your Shopify store, click this gear icon right here. And actually, if you tap this gear icon, you can change or you can adjust settings with layouts, themes, and background colors, and then so on. So let's just focus on how to add logo here. Import the logo that you have created using your Canva. This is what it looks like. Tap save, and you have your logo right now. So this time, we're going to add image here. Go back to Canva, and then this time I'm going to look for the signs like watch. Okay, you can drag it right here. Change this with the product that you're selling. Let me import my watch here, and then I'm going to drag this to here. Adjust. So basically change everything here, like the font style, words. I also added my store name. You could also add here like 50% off or a discount. You can add your product logo right here or store logo right here. Everything is up to you, but this is just how you easily create pictures or how you make your products more beautiful. So this time we're going to import again. Okay, let me download this one first. Okay, go back to your Shopify, import. And here we are, we have our product right here. We have logo, we have our product, thanks to Canva. This time we're going to add another section and we're going to promote our best product and it's under featured product right here. So let me tap this shirt icon and then change this with a my most popular product. Change some price and information right here and then tap save. If you want to add another section like collection, or if you want to add more like image or anything here, you could just go to this left side and then tap this add section. So I want to add another one aside from featured product. If you want to add another one here like collection, or let's just say, let me look for others. So let me tap add section. And then this time I'm going to add this featured collection. Here they can see all the collection or all the collection I have in my Shopify store. If the customer tap this featured collection, then they will see what's inside this collection here. And these are the most expensive, popular, everything is up to your product here on your Shopify store. So that is featured collection. Now I'm going to add section again, and then this time it's a collection list. Okay, so we have your collection. So I'm going to change the image. Tap this one. Okay, expensive. This one here, less than 50%. And then the other one here, I want to change this with products that are on sale. Okay, so these are the collections. So if they tap each, then it will take them directly to the products that are expensive products, less than 50 products, and on sale products. Take note, you need to have this all products first in your Shopify products account before you can do this in your Shopify store. And then last but not the least, here is the footer menu. So you can add your email address here. You can add terms and condition. This is the last part of your Shopify store. You can simply add everything here in a way that the customer can contact you right away. So you can add your email address. You can also add contacts and terms and conditions right here. So basically, this is how easy it is and the quickest way and how to set up Shopify store. You can use the themes inside the Shopify store, or you can also use Canva as your editing tool. So that's it. If you want to see the finished product of the online store in Shopify, this is what it looks like. I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video tutorials.